بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
تبارك الذي نزل الفرقان على عبده ليكون للعالمين نذيرا.
Most blessed is He who has sent down the Quran upon His chosen bondsman, who may be a warner to the entire world.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض ولم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك وخلق كل شيء فقدره تقديرا.
The one to whom belongs the kingdom of the heavens and of the earth, and has not taken offspring for himself. There is no partner in his kingdom, and he has created everything, keeping it in proper measure.
واتخذوا من دونه آلهة لا يخلقون شيئا وهم يخلقون ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون لأنفسهم ضرا ولا نفعا ولا يملكون موتا ولا حياة ولا نشورا.
And people have appointed other gods other than Him, that they do not create anything but are themselves created, and they themselves do not have power to harm or benefit even themselves, and who do not have any authority over causing death nor life, nor over resurrection.
وقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا إفك افتراه وأعانه عليه قوم آخرون فقد جاءوا ظلما وزورا.
And the infidels said, this, i.e., the Quran is nothing but slander which he, i.e., the beloved Prophet, has fabricated, and others have also helped him upon it. Thus, they, the infidels, have indeed stooped to injustice and lie.
وقالوا أساطير الأولين اكتتبها فهي تملى عليه بكرة وأصيلا.
And they said, these are the stories of the former people, which he, i.e., the beloved Prophet Muhammad, has written down. They are hence read to him morning and evening.
قل أنزله الذي يعلم السر في السماوات والأرض إنه كان غفورا رحيما.
Say you, O beloved, it is sent down by Him who knows all the secrets of the heavens and the earth. Indeed, He is most forgiving, ever merciful.
وقالوا ما لهذا الرسول يأكل الطعام ويمشي في الأسواق لولا أنزل إليه ملك فيكون معه نذيرا.
And they said, what happened to this messenger that he eats food and walks in the marketplaces? Why was not an angel sent down along with him to give warning along with him?
أو يلقى إليه كنز أو تكون له جنة يأكل منها وقال الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
Or he should have attained a treasure from the unseen, or should have had a garden from which he would eat. And the unjust said, you do not follow but such a man who has been afflicted with magic.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
O beloved, see how they fabricate similitudes about you. They have therefore gone astray, unable to find any path.
تبارك الذي إن شاء جعل لك خيرا من ذلك جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار تجري من تحتها الأنهار ويجعل لك قصورا.
Most blessed is he who, if he wills, may make it much better for you in this world, gardens beneath which rivers flow, and make tall palaces for you.
بل كذبوا بالساعة وأعتدنا لمن كذب بالساعة سعيرا.
Rather, these people belie the last day, and the one who belies the last day, we have kept prepared a blazing fire for him.
إذا رأتهم من مكان بعيد سمعوا لها تغيظا وزفيرا.
When the fire will see them from afar, they will hence hear its fury and roaring.
وإذا ألقوا منها مكانا ضيقا مقرنين دعوا هنالك ثبورا.
And when they will be thrown into any narrow place of it, tied up in chains, so there they will beg for death.
لا تدعوا اليوم ثبورا واحدا وادعوا ثبورا كثيرا.
It will be said, do not beg this day for one death, and beg for many deaths.
قل أذلك خير أم جنة الخلد التي وعد المتقون كانت لهم جزاء ومصيرا.
Say you, O beloved, is this better, or the everlasting garden which is promised to those who fear Allah? That is their reward and outcome.
لهم فيها ما يشاءون خالدين كان على ربك وعدا مسئولا.
Therein for them is whatever their hearts desire. They will abide in it forever, a promise binding upon the responsibility of the generosity of your Lord, which is prayed for.
ويوم يحشرهم وما يعبدون من دون الله فيقول أأنتم أضللتم عبادي هؤلاء أم هم ضلوا السبيل.
And on the day when he will assemble them and whom they worshipped instead of Allah, he will then say to those false deities, did you mislead my bondsmen, or did they themselves stray away from the path?
قالوا سبحانك ما كان ينبغي لنا أن نتخذ من دونك من أولياء ولكن متعتهم وآباءهم حتى نسوا الذكر وكانوا قوما بورا.
They will submit, purity is to you. It was not befitting for us to appoint any master other than you. But you led them and their forefathers in joy to the extent that they forgot your remembrance, and they were people destined to be destroyed.
فقد كذبوكم بما تقولون فما تستطيعون صرفا ولا نصرا ومن يظلم منكم نذقه عذابا كبيرا.
The false deities have hence belied what you state. So now you can neither avert the punishment nor help yourself. And whoever amongst you is unjust, we shall make him taste a great punishment of hell.
وما أرسلنا قبلك من المرسلين إلا إنهم ليأكلون الطعام ويمشون في الأسواق وجعلنا بعضكم لبعض فتنة أتصبرون وكان ربك بصيرا.
And all the messengers we sent before you were like this, eating food and walking about in the marketplaces. And we have made some of you a test for others. And O people, will you have patience? And O beloved, your Lord watches.
وقال الذين لا يرجون لقاءنا لولا نرى ربنا لقد استكبروا في أنفسهم وعتوا عتوا كبيرا.
And those people who do not hope to meet us said, why were the angels not sent down to us? Or why couldn't we see our Lord? Indeed, they became excessively arrogant within themselves, and they turned to extreme rebellion.
يوم يرون الملائكة لا بشرى يومئذ للمجرمين ويقولون حجرا محجورا.
The day they will see the angels, that will not be a day of any happiness for the culprits. And they will say, O Lord, appoint a fixed barrier between us and them, i.e., the angels.
وَقَدِمْنَا إِلَى مَا عَمِلُوا مِنْ عَمَلٍ فَجَعَلْنَاهُ هَبَاءً مَنْثُورًا.
And whatever apparent good deeds they have done, we have purposely made them scattered floating particles of dust that are visible in the sunlight of a ventilator.
أصحاب الجنة يومئذ خير مستقرا وأحسن مقيلا.
For the people of paradise on that day will be a better abode, and after the noon of reckoning, a good place of rest.
ويوم تشقق السماء بالغمام ونزل الملائكة تنزيلا.
And the day when the heaven will burst apart with the clouds, and the angels will be sent down, all in all.
الملك يومئذ الحق للرحمن وكان يوما على الكافرين عسيرا.
The true kingdom on that day belongs to the most gracious, and that day is hard upon the disbelievers.
ويوم يعض الظالم على يديه يقول يا ليتني اتخذت مع الرسول سبيلا.
And the day when the unjust one will bite his hand repeatedly, alas, had I somehow chosen a way along with the messenger.
يا ويلتى ليتني لم أتخذ فلانا خليلا.
Woe to me! Alas, if only I had not taken so-and-so disbeliever for a friend.
لقد أضلني عن الذكر بعد إذ جاءني وكان الشيطان للإنسان خذولا.
He indeed led me astray from the advice that had come to me, and Satan leaves man alone unassisted.
وقال الرسول يا رب إن قوم اتخذوا هذا القرآن مهجورا.
And the messenger submitted, O my Lord, my people indeed took this Quran as worthy of being abandoned.
وكذلك جعلنا لكل نبي عدوا من المجرمين وكفى بربك هاديا ونصيرا.
And this is how we had made the culprits as enemies for every prophet. And your Lord is sufficient to guide and to help.
وقال الذين كفروا لولا نزل عليه القرآن جملة واحدة كذلك لنثبت به فؤادك ورتلناه ترتيلا.
And the disbelievers said, why was the Quran not sent down to him all at once? This is how we sent it in stages, in order to strengthen your heart, O beloved, therewith. And we recited it gradually in stages.
ولا يأتونك بمثل إلا جئناك بالحق وأحسن تفسيرا.
And they will not bring to you any examples as an objection, but we shall bring you the truth and a better explanation than that.
الذين يحشرون على وجوههم إلى جهنم أولئك شر مكانا وأضل سبيلا.
Those who will be driven on their faces towards hell, their abode is the worst, and they are the most astray.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلنا معه أخاه هارون وزيرا.
And we indeed gave Musa the book and appointed his brother Harun as his minister.
فقلنا اذهبا إلى القوم الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فدمرناهم تدميرا.
So we said, both of you go to the people who have belied our verses. We then destroyed them with complete annihilation.
وقوم نوح لما كذبوا الرسل أغرقناهم وجعلناهم للناس آية وأعتدنا للظالمين عذابا أليما.
And we destroyed the people of Nuh when they belied the messengers. We drowned them and made them a sign for the people. And we have kept prepared a painful punishment for the transgressors.
وعادا وثمود وأصحاب الرس وقرونا بين ذلك كثيرا.
And we destroyed the tribes of Ad and Thamud and the people of the well and many generations between them.
وكلا ضربنا له الأمثال وكلا تبرنا تتبيرا.
And we explained examples to each one of them and destroyed all of them, eliminating them.
ولقد أتوا على القرية التي أمطرت مطر السوء أفلم يكونوا يرونها بل كانوا لا يرجون نشورا.
And they have definitely visited the towns upon which had come harmful rain. Were they not seeing it? Rather, they had no hope to be resurrected in the slightest.
وإذا رأوك إن يتخذونك إلا هزوا أهذا الذي بعث الله رسولا.
And when they see you, O beloved, they do not take you but as mockery. They say, is this the one whom Allah has sent as a messenger?
إن كاد ليضلنا عن آلهتنا لولا أن صبرنا عليها وسوف يعلمون حين يرون العذاب من أضل سبيلا.
It was close that he would have misled us from our gods had we not persisted towards worshipping them. Soon they will come to know the day they will see the punishment that as to who was misguided.
أرأيت من اتخذ إلهه هواه أفأنت تكون عليه وكيلا.
Did you see the one who took his heart's desire as his God? So, will you take the responsibility of guarding him?
أم تحسب أن أكثرهم يسمعون أو يعقلون إن هم إلا كالأنعام بل هم أضل سبيلا.
Or do you think that most of them, i.e., the disbelievers, hear or understand something? They are not but like cattle, rather more astray than them.
ألم تر إلى ربك كيف مد الظل ولو شاء لجعله ساكنا ثم جعلنا الشمس عليه دليلا.
O beloved, did you not see your Lord, how he spread out the shade? And if he had willed, he could have made it stationary. We then henceforth made the sun a proof for it.
ثم قبضناه إلينا قبضا يسيرا.
Then we gradually folded it towards us.
وهو الذي جعل لكم الليل لباسا والنوم سباتا وجعل النهار نشورا.
And it is he who made the night a veil for you, and sleep a rest, and made the day to stay up.
وهو الذي أرسل الرياح بشرا بين يدي رحمته وأنزلنا من السماء ماء طهورا.
And it is he who sent the winds giving glad tidings before his mercy, i.e., his rain, and we sent down purifying water from the sky.
لنحيي به بلدة ميتا ونسقيه مما خلقنا أنعاما وأناسيا كثيرا.
In order that we may revive any dead city with it, and give it for drinking to many cattle and men we have created.
ولقد صرفناه بينهم ليذكروا فأبى أكثر الناس إلا كفورا.
And we indeed kept water, i.e., rain in turns amongst them, that they may take heed. So most people did not accept the truth, but to be ungrateful.
ولو شئنا لبعثنا في كل قرية نذيرا.
And had we willed, we would have henceforth sent a warner to every town.
فلا تطع الكافرين وجاهدهم به جهادا كبيرا.
So do not obey the disbelievers, and with this Quran wage a mighty struggle against them.
وهو الذي مرج البحرين هذا عذب فرات وهذا ملح أجاج وجعل بينهما برزخا وحجرا محجورا.
And it is He who caused the two merged seas to flow. This is pleasantly fresh, very sweet, and this is salty, very bitter. And He kept a veil between them and a prohibited barrier.
وهو الذي خلق من الماء بشرا فجعله نسبا وصهرا وكان ربك قديرا.
And it is He who created man from water, then appointed blood relatives and in-laws for him. And your Lord is all-powerful.
ويعبدون من دون الله ما لا ينفعهم ولا يضرهم وكان الكافر على ربه ظهيرا.
And they worship such other than Allah, who neither benefit nor hurt them. And the disbeliever helps the devil against his Lord.
وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا.
And we have not sent you, O beloved, except as a conveyor of glad tidings and warnings.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر إلا من شاء أن يتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Say you, O beloved, I did not ask any recompense from you for this, except that whosoever wants may take the way to his Lord.
وتوكل على الحي الذي لا يموت وسبح بحمده وكفى به بذنوب عباده خبيرا.
And trust the ever-living one who will never die, and whilst praising him, proclaim his purity. And only he is sufficient, aware of the sins of his bondsmen.
الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش الرحمن فاسأل به خبيرا.
The one who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in a period equal to 6 days, then established his authority upon the throne, the most gracious. Ask therefore the one who knows concerning him.
وإذا قيل لهم اسجدوا للرحمن قالوا وما الرحمن أنسجد لما تأمرنا وزادهم نفورا.
And when it is said to them, prostrate to the most gracious, they say, and what is the most gracious? Must we prostrate to whoever you command? And this command increased them in unruliness.
تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا.
Most blessed is he who created great towers, i.e., planets, in the sky and placed a lamp, i.e., the sun therein, and the shining moon.
وهو الذي جعل الليل والنهار خلفة لمن أراد أن يذكر أو أراد شكورا.
And it is He who kept the alternation of the night and the day as a sign for the one who desires to reflect or intends to give thanks.
وعباد الرحمن الذين يمشون على الأرض هونا وإذا خاطبهم الجاهلون قالوا سلاما.
Those bondsmen of the Most Gracious who walk upon the earth humbly, and when the ignorant address them rudely, their only response is salam, i.e., a greeting of parting.
والذين يبيتون لربهم سجدا وقياما.
And those who spend the night prostrating and standing for their Lord.
والذين يقولون ربنا اصرف عنا عذاب جهنم إن عذابها كان غراما.
And those who submit, O our Lord, avert the punishment of hell from us. Its punishment is indeed a noose around the neck.
إنها ساءت مستقرا ومقاما.
Indeed, that is a most wretched abode.
والذين إذا أنفقوا لم يسرفوا ولم يقتروا وكان بين ذلك قواما.
And those who, when they spend, neither exceed the limits nor act miserly and stay in moderation between the two.
والذين لا يدعون مع الله إلها آخر ولا يقتلون النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ولا يزنون ومن يفعل ذلك يلقى أثاما.
And those who do not worship any other deity along with Allah, and those who do not kill unjustly such life which Allah has forbidden, nor commit adultery, and whoever does this will receive punishment.
يضاعف له العذاب يوم القيامة ويخلد فيه مهانا.
The punishment will be multiplied for him on the day of resurrection, and he will remain therein forever with disgrace.
إلا من تاب وآمن وعمل عملا صالحا فأولئك يبدل الله سيئاتهم حسنات وكان الله غفورا رحيما.
Except the one who repents and believes and does good deeds, Allah will henceforth change the evil deeds of such into virtues, and Allah is most forgiving, ever merciful.
ومن تاب وعمل صالحا فإنه يتوب إلى الله متابا.
And whosoever repents and does good deeds, he has therefore turned towards Allah in a manner as was required.
والذين لا يشهدون الزور وإذا مروا باللغو مروا كراما.
And those who do not give false testimony, and when they pass by something immoral, they pass by protecting their honor.
والذين إذا ذكروا بآيات ربهم لم يخروا عليها صما وعميانا.
And those who, when they are reminded of the verses of their Lord, do not fall deaf and blind upon them.
والذين يقولون ربنا هب لنا من أزواجنا وذرياتنا قرة أعين وجعلنا للمتقين إماما.
And those who submit, O our Lord, grant us coolness of our eyes from our wives and our children, and make us leaders of the pious.
أولئك يجزون الغرفة بما صبروا ويلقون فيها تحية وسلاما.
They will be rewarded the highest position in paradise, the recompense of their patience, and they will be welcomed with honor and greetings of peace.
خالدين فيها حسنت مستقرا ومقاما.
They shall abide therein forever. What an excellent abode and place to stay.
قل ما يعبأ بكم ربي لولا دعاؤكم فقد كذبتم فسوف يكون لزاما.
Say you, O beloved, you have no value before my Lord if you do not worship him. So you have belied. There will now therefore be punishment that will be clinging on to you.
صدق الله العظيم.